Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Calendly to schedule project kickoff meetings in Asana, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Calendly website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate your account settings by clicking on your profile icon. In the settings menu, find and select the integrations tab. Scroll down until you see the Asana integration option. Click on Connect next to the Asana integration. You will be redirected to the Asana login page if you are not already logged in. Enter your Asana credentials and click Login. After logging in, you will be prompted to authorize Calendly to access your Asana account. Review the permissions requested by Calendly and click Allow. Once authorized, you'll return to the Calendly integrations page. Now, you can customize the settings for Asana integration. Choose the workspace in Asana where you want your projects to be created. Select the project template you wish to use for kickoff meetings. You can also specify which details from Calendly should be included in your Asana tasks. After configuring your preferences, save the changes. Now, go back to your Calendly event types. Edit the event type for your project kickoff meetings. In the event type settings, scroll to the workflow section. Under the Add to Asana option, toggle on the integration. Ensure that the correct project is selected for the kickoff meetings. You can customize the task name and description as well. Once you have set everything up, save your event type. Now, your Calendly is fully authorized to schedule project kickoff meetings in Asana. You can test the integration by scheduling a meeting through Calendly. Check your Asana to confirm that the tasks are created as intended. If everything is working properly, you're all set to streamline your project kickoff meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.